The shoulder is one of our most complex and mobile joints, but this mobility makes it susceptible to various conditions that significantly impact our daily lives. Let's discuss two common shoulder conditions, rotator cuff syndrome and frozen shoulder. The rotator cuff consists of four crucial muscles that stabilize your shoulder joint: the subscapularis, infraspinatus, teres minor, and supraspinatus. Rotator cuff syndrome encompasses a whole spectrum of clinical pathology ranging from minor tendinitis to severe degenerative conditions like chronic rotator cuff tendinopathy. But this syndrome typically does affect the supraspinatus tendon. Usual causes of rotator cuff syndrome are progressive wear and tear over time, repetitive overhead movements, heavy lifting, or sudden injuries or falls. Symptoms of rotator cuff syndrome include recurring shoulder pain, muscle weakness, limited upward arm movement, and grating or crackling sounds during movement. Frozen shoulder occurs when the shoulder joint's capsule becomes inflamed, thickens, and tightens, severely restricting movement. This condition develops in three distinct stages: the freezing stage, the frozen stage, and the thawing stage. Both rotator cuff syndrome and frozen shoulder conditions benefit from specific therapeutic massage techniques. Primary techniques include deep tissue massage to address muscle tension, trigger point therapy for pain relief, myofascial release to improve tissue mobility, cross-fiber friction to break down adhesions, scar tissue release for post-injury healing, PNF stretching for improved range of motion, and additionally, CBD treatments can complement manual therapy. Remember that each case is unique and requires an individualized approach based on the specific stage and severity of the condition. If you are struggling with any of these symptoms, please give us a call. We'd love to get you on the schedule with one of our licensed massage therapists.